Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shiva's Tech Hub. So in this session we'll be looking at how to install Python using brew command line utility on Mac operating system. So as a prerequisite we need to check if the brew command line utility is installed, and the second thing is we need to make sure there is no existing Python versions that exist in the system. So these two things can be done by using, so let me open the terminal. So first we need to check the version of brew. So this can be checked by using brew space hyphen hyphen version. So it shows that 4.4.29 is the version of brew that is being installed in this particular system. Now let me check if Python is exist or not. So the latest version of Python is 3.13. So if we try to enter this particular command, it should show Python 3.13 command is not found. This means Python 3.13 is not present in this particular system. Okay. Now, in order to install this, what we need to do? So we need to run this particular command, view space install Python at the rate 3.13. So what it does is it will pick up the latest version of 3.13 Python and it will install in this particular system. So let me run this command and let us wait for the installation to be completed. So it will download Python 3.13 and it will install. Okay, so this is done. Now, if you see here, Python is being installed over here. Okay, so it is installed in user local bin and Python 3. Okay, now in order to check if it is installed successfully or not, you need to run this particular command Python 3.13 hyphen hyphen version. So now if you see here, it shows Python 3.13.3 is the version of Python that is being installed in this particular system. Now, if you want to confirm the directory again, so this can be done by using Python 3.13. Okay, so it will show the directory where the Python is being installed. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching this, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Shiva's Tech Hub. Thank you.